Hello guys.
Welcome to another video.
Midnight Fried Chicken sounds like a weird game, and that's the reason why we're playing it. And why is there so many people at the 2 players? Okay, let them go. Let them go. Okay, we're next in line. We're literally next in line. This is. I think it's just fried chicken.
It's kind of like the scary cashier game, or like whatever. Like,
Okay.
oh my god! Waking up, Gucci on my pit. Oh my god! It looks like me. Go on the. I can see on here.
If you right click, you can like zoom in or something.
Oh yeah.
Okay, watch TV. Now sit down. Okay.
Sit down.
Come on down to fried chicken. One of the best fried chicken in the world.
Oh, that'd be good.
That's a bad name. Fried chicken place. Looking for a job. Looking for you. KFC is looking for help. Come work with us. Dial 1-900-490-CHKN to apply.
I'm called.
Hello, can I apply?
Thanks for calling Fried Chicken, home of the best fried chicken. How can I help you tonight?
Can I please get a job? I wanna. Yes, please. I wanna
Do you
work.
have Robux?
Why?
79 to be exact.
No, I don't have 79.
Okay, good. Because there's a jump scare button, and that would scare me.
I have 800.
No, you don't.
So
Are you sure about
I
that?
do. I'll buy it right now.
Okay, bye.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to waste my Robux. Slip. Wait,
Oh,
never
what
mind.
the
We're
heck?
going.
Guys, we spawned.
Yo, who's that homeless guy?
Oh my god, is that our car?
That's
Giving car rash.
that's not.
Day 1. Oh, so it's like FNAF.
Oh, come on.
Hi,
Chicken.
William
Check.
Appleton.
Talk with the homeless man. Things haven't been the same for a long time. Be careful in this place. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? You will soon understand. Just get away from this job soon as...
I mean, we're listening to him. Like,
We're listening to him. We beat the game, guys. We beat the game.
guys, GG, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to...
No, I'm just kidding. Alright, who's that guy? That Builder Man? It's Builder Man. That's not an employee. It's Builder Man.
Okay, so...
Hello. Are you James? I spoke to you on the phone about that job that was advertised on TV. Yes, it's me. My name's James. Yes, it's me. You can start your shift now. Just go and clock in the kitchen. Wait, no, is his name James? Oh, his name is James.
His name's James.
Yeah, my friend is right here, and he is well. He's right here. Wait, how do you get... Oh, forget it. The boss doesn't show up, and we only get contacted with him by phone. Don't forget to clock in.
Why is there guns lying around?
I don't know. Okay, how do we clock in?
I think it's over
Oh,
here.
I see it. Okay,
Oh, found it, over here.
go. Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Yeah. Chat, I'm gonna...
What do we do?
Oh, why is there guns? Why is there guns here?
I have a bad feeling.
Okay, yeah, why are there guns everywhere?
Who is here? Oh, I thought that was the actual person.
Yeah, take you there.
Of course you will,
chicken
Biggie.
place.
Okay, let's go
I'm
get
gonna get the bucket chicken. Why?
That'll be $4.
Why are we working at nighttime? $5 for a bucket of chicken.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye. You're not getting your chicken. Get food from the
Get food from the
freezer
freezer
and
and
cook.
cook.
Okay,
Uh,
I'll do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Dude, I'm doing it.
okay, go ahead.
Chicken. Chicken.
This looks best.
Thank you very much. You made my night 10 times better. Can I get some?
Hey, she forgot to close the door.
Oh, chill. Let's close the door.
You rat.
Ah!
Oh my god, close the door.
Close the dying door. Alright.
This game's easy.
This game's so easy. Shall we my win this? Okay. Okay. Come on. Where's this door? Oh no, you don't want to open that. Oh, we got this.
Oh my god, you scared me.
No,
Because
who's
of your
this?
face.
Is this the same person?
Hi, Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. Hello there, stranger. I'm not
Your name
stranger,
is
I'm the cash
Jessica. We
register.
literally know each other.
Hello. Can I please have some chicken? Just the sticks. Okay,
Just the stick.
got it.
Hold on. So you do the fried chicken, and I'll like take the order.
Okay, I'll be the cook, I guess. Let me cook, man. Cause I cook.
Ding dong.
What is this?
Peanut dwelling mix party. Peanut dwelling.
What if I cook it more than once? Wait, what happens? Oh, come on.
Oh, I think I gotta cook too.
There you go.
Oh.
Wait, I was holding one and it transformed into two. Okay, bye. Bye.
Wait. Okay, yeah. Bye, Cookie. Please close the door. Close the door.
Why is it boarded up? No, oh.
This place can use a deep clean. How did you get out there so fast?
Yep, chat, we beat the game. So easy. Wait, we have a drive-through? Oh, we have a drive-through. We have a drive-through. Come on. Who's this guy?
Oh, police officer.
That's not a customer. May I take your order? 5 years in jail. Hey, clerk. This is the agent. I want to warn you about something. Unlock the car. Come on. No, I'm just kidding. What happened to the old man? Some weird animal. Oh, there's a weird
He got
animal.
kidnapped.
Alrighty then. Is there anything on this? Okay, I'll take the drumsticks. It's not even evening. It's nighttime. $4. Wait, why is it $5 for drumsticks? Wait, why is that so cheap? Dude, that's the same thing, and it's like like 1.5 times more expensive. FBI, open up!
What's his name?
FB.
Hey, get it back here.
Close the door. Close the door. Come on, close the door. Close the
He's
door.
running away.
What is this?
Is this so? This is like online order. What is that?
Right here. Alright. Boom. Chuck.
Chicken.
Wait, what type of chicken? What type of chicken?
$3.
50 cents.
Oh, and
Hey,
50 cents.
by any chance, do you want a gun?
Itadakimasu.
By any chance, do you want a gun? We're selling guns for free. It's the best avatar in the land.
Yeah, except for the head.
What's wrong with my head?
Okay.
What's wrong with my head?
Nothing. The fact that it's smaller than your hat.
Oh. Okay. Got some water.
Oh, hey, it's my friend
John.
Bob.
Oh,
No, his name's Bob.
Bob. No, his name's John. He looks like a John.
But fine.
Put it in the thing.
You didn't even say. Oh,
There you go. Your bucket chicken. Bucket chicken. Bucket of chicken. Alright, okay, we're done with our job now. Let's leave. The clock didn't even change. Oh, heck no. Bye then. Oh my god, I hate this. Leaving the place. What if I don't want to, huh? Can't fire me, you're not even here. Can't fire me. Okay.
oh, you need.
You need a broom, dude.
Oh,
What do you do? Well, now I have to take out the trash. Okay, where'd you go? Oh. Gotta go at the back.
okay, I have a trash bag.
Okay, we're doing good, I guess.
Oh my god, I thought it was outside. It went outside.
The dumpster is outside, dude. It's in the back.
Oh my god, I trapped myself out. But it doesn't let you put it in.
Yes, it does.
Not for me.
Dude, are you in the wrong dumpster?
I'm not like other people.
Oh my god.
Okay, I have a trash bag.
Bro, why am I... There you go.
You need one more.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. What the hell? Holy crap.
He
Oh.
did scare me though.
Oh my god. What the heck? No, why don't you just leave? Why don't you buy some chicken, dude? Why don't you chill with
Buy
us?
some chicken and get
You know
out
what,
of
dude?
here.
We have a gun. Why we need to worry, huh? Look at this. Deadly pistol. Secret ending. We can just get that.
It's
Why are
Ender
these
Night.
people in the city waiting? Okay. What's happening? Are we leaving? Are we finally leaving? That's our car. Why is our car there? Oh, it's day 2. Okay. Alright.
Oh my god, that scared me. Should we just end it here, I guess? And we can do another part.
Alright. I'm cutting this part off until right now. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna do part 2. Probably later. I don't care how long later is. But we will do a part 2 soon, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah.